How to turn off and disable timeline emails on Google Maps. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is easy. Go to Google Maps. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top corner, click on your profile picture, and now click on your profile option right here and click on edit profile. Now click on profile and privacy settings and go up until you find timeline emails, and from here you can just click and it's turned it off successfully. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.